I'm Kevin Luters with Bell Medical, and I'm excited to introduce to you the iCore from Insiders. Insiders makes multiple flexible, reusable scopes and video laryngoscopes, and this is the iWorkstation from Insiders that communicates with a video laryngoscope, etc. But what we're introducing today is the iCore. What is the iCore? The iCore is a 2.0 millimeter flexible non-articulating camera, basically, and it can be hooked up to a variety of different devices. I have the ability of connecting it to this wireless bob and displaying the image on the iWorkstation, for example. Or I can take the video display from the video laryngoscope and also put it on the iCore. So there's a couple different options. Now, how can the iCore be used? It can be used just run down a basic endotracheal tube. In fact, I had a clinician that did just that. He took a styletted endotracheal tube and he ran the iCore down that tube and was able to get the visibility at the end of the tube, and then he was able to go in with a laryngoscope, and I could use a video laryngoscope, in fact, although this time I'm not going to. I'm going to switch hands here, and there's the vocal cords, and you're seeing the endotracheal tube go through the vocal cords, and I didn't even have my video display on. So, and then I can remove the iCore, and I can remove the stylet and go on and ventilate my patient. So the iCore can be used in a lot of different situations on right now, even with a basic endotracheal tube and a standard double lumen tube. However, Insiders has designed a double lumen tube with a dedicated channel. So this is a locking ring that allows me to insert the iCore video camera to the end of the double lumen tube. I'm going to extend it so you can at least see it there, but basically you would place it toward the end and then you would lock it in place, and then you would have a visual of your double lumen tube. I'm going to loosen it a little bit. And there you would see it coming out. So a dedicated channel in your double lumen tube using the wireless bob, or once again our video display will work with it. But we also have, other than double lumen tubes, we have a standard endotracheal tube that has the same locking port for an endotracheal tube. We also have a closed suction catheter that also will accept the iCore. And recently introduced is the LMA with not only gastric suction, but a dedicated channel for the iCore. So I'm going to be able to visualize to the side with the iCore. So hopefully you can see the iCore actually being extended, and you can see it basically right there. Now what's also nice is with the iCore I could go right down the endotracheal tube. And then I'm able to see the view of the endotracheal tube through this intubating LMA. So the point is that we have an iCore, which is a 2.0 millimeter flexible camera that can be used in a double lumen tube, a blocker, a single lung ventilation blocker, an LMA, an endotracheal tube, and in a closed suction catheter. So the iCore 2.0 millimeter flexible camera is a great tool that extends your value of the iWorkstation and of the Insiders video laryngoscope. Please call us for a free trial or more information. Thank you very much and have a great day.